Have you been trying to change careers for a long time, but you are being held back by a lot of myths and misconceptions? So today's topic will be about that, because a lot of people come to my coaching meetings, they really do not think that they can change careers. So today we're going to discuss 5 of these misconceptions that are holding people back big time. These people, they want to change careers, they are tired of where they are stagnant, they are feeling unhappy, they really want to change careers, but they are being held back by these misconceptions. So one of them is this one: it is too late to make a career change. It's a belief system that it is too late to make a career change. And most people, especially as you get older, when you're 30, 35, 40, and going up, you start thinking that you cannot change career, that you are stuck where you are. I want to tell you that it is never too late to chase your dreams. It is never too late to follow your passion. It is not a cliche, but it is true. I mean, how long are you going to live? How long are you going to live? Because honestly, if you do not focus on what you want, then you'll be living other people's dreams, or you'll be frustrated. You will not pursue what you want because of this mindset that it is too late for you. And a lot of people make that mistake when they think that it's too late. They cannot do anything about their situation. So I want you to do something about your situation. So it has to start with the belief system that it is possible. Another one, it says changing careers means starting over from scratch. I have recorded another video that says, look, if you've been working for about 10 years or 8 years or 5 years, you're not starting from the bottom. You have done something with your life. You have explored corporate. You know exactly what it is all about. And you've got your soft skills that you have been enhancing all these 5 years, and you've got also technical skills as well that could be needed for the new career. So your old experience is still very valuable. I cannot stress this enough. So you're not starting from the bottom, even though it looks like that you're starting from the bottom, but you're not. And these skills are valuable to where you want to be as well. Another, number 3, it says a career change will significantly change or decrease your income. So this could be, there's a truth in this as well, because when you're starting out in a new career, you may have to start maybe as an intern. If that is applicable for you, you may need to take a sacrifice. But this sacrifice is not going to be for long, because you've got a bigger picture. You know where you're going. You have crafted your long-term plan, the benefits versus the disadvantages of you changing this career. So you're going to have to weigh it for yourself as well. What is it going to take for you to change this career? Is it worth your while? Is it not? Can you live in this current situation where you are in the job that you do not like? Can you do it for 10, 15 years? Can you retire being that person who is, maybe let's say you mechanic and you do not want to be mechanic for argument's sake? So you need to also weigh your options as well. Is this what you want? Is this how you're going to live your life? Is this where you want, how you're going to retire in the future? Or you want to try something else? You're willing to take the risk, but there is going to be an opportunity cost in some way, but it cannot be a long opportunity cost where it's going to cost you indefinitely. You're going to have to recover. You're going to recover the money, or maybe the money now is no longer as important. You are after meaningful work. You are after growth. You are after being happy at work and waking up in the morning being excited. This is what my clients who come and want to try to change careers, they feel. They want to feel like they are contributing to the society in a positive way. They want to feel that they have impact. Others, they want to feel that they have meaningful work. They're excited when they wake up in the morning. And this could be you as well if you take the risk. If you take the risk, if you take the leap of faith, let's call it like that. So you're going to have to dig deep and find courage. And if you are part of my sessions in a career transition coaching, we help you with this mindset and we help you weigh your options. And obviously, we do not want to get you to a point where you don't have money to feed your family members because you've got dependents, you are older in life, you've got money problems or financial needs. You can't just up and go and do a new career, and that is so understandable. Hence, some of my clients as well, we work with this career transition plan while they're still on this existing career. So it's a smooth transition as well, so that you do not feel like you're going to lose so much, but you are planning. And most people, they do not want to start. So that's an error. The people, they do not want to start the process of their career transition. So they wait too long, they procrastinate too long, they sit for too long in the place where they do not actually enjoy. They don't want to be there. So that's another myth. Myth number 3 that we discuss about financial constraints or a decrease in your income from your big salary to your small salary. What is it that you are willing to do to find this happiness that you want? Right. Number 4 is it is risky to leave a stable job for a new career. So this point, it speaks to the one that we've just discussed. So it really talks about, I have financial obligations. People say to me, they have dependents to consider. How are they going to do this? If they want to change careers, how is it going to happen? As I said, I mean, you need to also think about your why. Why do you want to change careers in the first place? What is the problem that you're trying to solve? What is the pain point that is the biggest problem right now? You could be facing burnout. You could be stressed too much at work. You could really be feeling a pain that this is not where I'm supposed to be. So do you make the jump now, or do you procrastinate until it's just too late? Let's say you are burnt out, you just do not even believe that it's going to be possible for you. So you need to look at, why do you want it? What is your why? What is your vision? And what are your values as well? You need to all tie that to what is it that you initially thought that this new career is going to give it to you. And be as resilient with the process, because the process is also not going to be easy. I usually tell my clients that it's going to take its own toll. It's going to take its own process, because it is a process at the end of the day. It's not going to be a quick. Right. So point number 5, the last point, that you have to figure out everything before you make the change. So this is the biggest mistake. It just says you must figure it out, but it's not. It can't be like that. As I said, it is a process. You're going to have to take the first step and take another step and another step. And most people who've been successful with career transition, they have given themselves time to say, this is my step 1, this is my step 2, and I'm going to move accordingly based on the plan that I've set for myself. So with us helping you to transition, this makes this so much better. So please partner with us if you're really feeling discouraged or not sure where to start. Check my details here. I will link everything so that you can start working with us as soon as possible. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe if you find this information very valuable. My name is Patisa. I'm the career transition coach. I'll see you again on my next video.